Hi guys, it's Rachel at WTI, and I want to show you guys this awesome shirt that I have here. Any Taylor Swift fans, you know I'm a big fan. This shirt says you need to calm down. I love the look of this shirt. I love the blue with the bright pink on it. It just stands out so nice. This is a really nice blend of polyester with cotton, so it washes very well. Super good for the summer. Nice and light feeling. I love that the sleeves fall at just the right spot as well. The stitching is very nice on it as well. I love the look of the material on this blue one. It's kind of like that speckly look, which I really like on a shirt. And hoodies and different things, so this makes it really nice for me to have on my t-shirt by having this look. And I love the saying, you need to calm down. You just start to get the song in your head. It's just one of those Taylor Swift songs that won't get out of your head, so I love having the shirt that says it. This pink is two-tone as well, which I really like, so it really makes the letters pop. Super comfortable, love to run around in my yard, love to wear it with jeans, track pants. You can put it on with whatever you want. Comes in many different colors, but this one was my favorite, but that's just my point of view.